Hello, welcome again another complete local issue playlist. This is a most important video. In this video, I will cover you the ranking local issue ranking factor that will help you to get the rank. In this video, I will explain everything very shortly, and I will implement everything on step by step. First of all, Google My Business profile. This is so important. Is a local SEO ranking factor. Ensure your GMB profile is fully filled out with accurate business information, including your business name, address, phone number, and hour of operation. And regularly update GMB with new photos, posts, and offers. Encourage with engage customer and feedback with other reviews. Then second factor is the NAP consistency. Business name, address, phone number. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are consistent across the website and GMB and all online directories. Update your listing whenever business detail changes. Local reviews and ratings, it is so important. You should get 5-star ratings and also positive reviews, not a negative reviews. That will help you to grow your business, to get a rank in the first position. Gather positive reviews from your customer. Regularly respond reviews from your customer. Then on page SEO with local keywords. On page SEO with local keyword is so important. Use local keyword nearby in city names, titles, meta description, headers, website content, etc. Create content, focus on services in the location. Okay. Then citation means listing. It is also unimportant. List your business in local and industry directories. Keep your business information consistent across all platforms. Local backlinks. What is local backlinks? You have to create a backlinks, local website, blogs, directories. Mention your feature, your business. Collaborate with local organization and increase online mention. Proximity searches, proximity is so important. So ensure your business address is correctly listed in GMB profile on your website, as search engine consider distance between your business and search location. Mobile friendly. So optimize your website mobile friendly and device with responsive design and the fast loading pages. Behavior signals, improve user behavior interaction on your website by enhancing navigation and user experience. Social media engagement. Also, social media engagement is so important to ranking the factor. Structured data, schema markup. Use structured data. Use structured data to help search engine understand your business information such as location and the service. Localized content creation. Publish content relevant to your local audience such as blog post, news about local events or service. Domain authority and general SEO. Also ensure your website all SEO health by improving technical aspect as page speed, content quality, etc. So these are the main factor of local SEO. So yeah, we need to work and to get a rank position. Thank you so much for this video. This is a brief. I will implement practically and deeply, thus you can understand very carefully. So don't forget, don't miss out any videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.